Hello everyone, spring is officially here and April is my birth month. So in a huge celebration, I have updated my freebies section for everyone and there are now over 25 spring related downloads for you. Everything from games, prop money, dashboards, and more. And every season, I will update the library with new things, so make sure that you head on over to rainydaySavers.com and give it a bookmark for lots of free savings extras. I want to thank everyone who has been a part of my memberships here, both here on YouTube and everywhere that I have done things. I really appreciate you guys, and this is my way of giving back and saying thanks to all of you. I do want to cover two things in particular in this video today, so let's start with my rainy day membership packet. So this is a new membership that I am launching. It is going to be my only membership moving forward. I am no longer going with any other type of membership other than the Silver Lining supporter tier here on YouTube, which that supporter tier will have extras such as member shout outs at the end of my videos, seasonal and flash Etsy coupons, and I will be adding some bonus videos soon to that. So that is the supporter tier, and then this is my mailed membership. So what I have for you, every month you will receive some sort of scratch off. So for this month I did a really cute Have a Good Day A5, and you set the values for your strawberries and your cute little hedgehogs, and that's all under here, so you don't really know what you'll save. It's all up to you. Then I have this super cute little cutout A6, and this will fit in your A6 binders to save 50. And everything is laminated, of course. So you get one scratch off, which will be A5, A6, or a cutout, just random. One A6, and then one tiny. And this is the tiny that I have made for the pack. I love those little sister bunnies. So there is that, and that brings me to the digital portion of this membership. So you will also receive this card, and when you scratch it off, it has a password to rainydaySavers.com for the season. So for this one, it will give you access for April and May, and then we'll move on to the summer seasonal. So you just scratch that off, you go to the website, and it will open two new areas for you. And that is where one of these come in, which is your sunshine tickets. So each packet will receive a ticket, which will be valued at 1, 2, or 3 ticket value. You can then redeem these in the reward shop. So this will change out seasonally. As we are currently in spring, this is all spring themed extras for you. So say that you get a ticket that has 1 and you really want something that costs 3, you can always save your tickets to get it next month. But even if you miss something for now, don't worry, because you also have access to the lost and found. And every month the items in here will change. It can be anything from those discontinued reward shop items to a random download from Etsy to just something you haven't seen in a while or maybe never seen at all. But this will always be a way to possibly get something that you missed. And your final perk is something that I am really excited about, and it's the surprise factor. So every member will be entered into a rainy day surprise. And what is a rainy day surprise? Well, it is something that I had started with my members here on YouTube, where they filled out a form to receive a surprise. And those surprises are going to be an array of different things. So like I have this cute little bag you can put your tinies in. Sorry about that banging. My husband is working on his car right by my window. These cute little calculators. I have little doodads and these amazing little bunny dice that I honestly do not want to give up. I have pens, stickers, magnets, of course, other savings games, and you will be entered into this. So once a month, I'm thinking, once a month, maybe more, that may change, I don't know, but once a month, I'm going to use a randomizer to choose one rainy day member, one physical Etsy order that was placed over $20, and one person that filled out that rainy day surprise when it was active to receive this. How I'm going to pick the items and stuff, I'm still not sure. I considered a lucky scoop thing, but I want to make sure that everybody's getting something quality and unique and different. So I'm still playing around with ideas on that, but that is going to start very soon. And then I thought about filming the whole process so like everyone can see the excitement, and I'm really, really pumped for this because I think it's going to be something totally different and a lot of fun and a way for me to celebrate all of my members and customers. Okay, so now you may be asking, where do I sign up? And I have decided to run this membership through Etsy. This will be the Etsy listing. It's available now so that I can start shipping those packets on the 1st. If you are an international buyer and would like a $3 shipping rate, then you can message me on Etsy and I will create a custom listing for you. But I thought Etsy was just the easiest way. No signups, nothing crazy. Just whenever you would like a little something extra, it's there for you if you want it. And that brings me to the launch of season 2 of my Little Cup of Savings game. So the grand opening starter kit is now available on Etsy, and there are now 2 booster packs available. So the first one is your spring seasonal cards. And so these are your 2 spring. These are only available during spring, and you get Little Chickie, who is a visitor, and she brings you surprise seeds to grow, so you save based off the season. And then you get these wildflowers. So you found a wildflower patch. They make a great tea ingredient. Pick a few flowers to lure bees to follow you, and you roll your dice to see how many bees follow you back. So that is your spring booster pack, and they have different backings. I really like giving them different backings. I think that's a cool thing to do. And unfortunately, one of the cards for this is not here, but this is your rare event pack. And this is limited to 75 sets total. So you're going to receive 4 different cards. So let's see, starting with your town fountain, toss a coin to make a wish, choose to double your next order and it'll come true. So that's an action card. Then you get this gift shop item, which is a chicken portrait. So you purchased this beautiful portrait of the Royal Cluck family lady years ago at a town rummage sale. And we wonder if that is Little Chickie's grandmother. And then we have Lady Evermere, who is a foiled rose card. And she is the village's pride and joy, a perfect single red rose that is double the size of any ordinary rose. And she blooms her best in spring. And she is worth 5 if you pull her. And the back of her is also foiled and pretty. And the last one is the Fairy Bunny card, which I'm sad to say is not here yet, but it is also foiled. So you will receive those 4 cards plus a secret recipe for rose traditional tea, and that is your rare event for spring. I cannot wait to add these to my deck and start playing and saving. All right then, friends, that is everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video this far and for being a part of all that I do. I am so grateful for all of you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.